Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you.
Are you ready for class?
Yes, I am ready.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did.
How was your weekend?
It was great.
Did you have breakfast?
Yes, I did.
Are you feeling happy today?
Yes, I am happy.
Why are you late?
Sorry, I missed the bus.
Did you bring your books?
Yes, I brought them.
Is everyone present today?
Yes, everyone is here.
Open your book.
Okay, teacher.
Close your notebook.
Yes, teacher.
Sit down.
Thank you.
Listen carefully.
I am listening.
Repeat after me.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Do you have a question?
Yes, I do.
Can you answer this?
I will try.
Write this down.
I am writing.
Read loudly.
Yes, teacher.
Spell this word.
CAT.
What is this?
This is a pen.
What color is it?
It is blue.
Count from 1 to 10.
1, 2, 3.
Raise your hand.
Yes.
Be quiet.
Sorry.
Work in pairs.
Okay.
Finish your work.
I will finish it.
Time is up.
Okay.
Did you do your homework?
Yes, I did.
Show me your homework.
Here it is.
Why didn't you do it?
I forgot, sorry.
What subject do you like?
I like English.
What is your favorite lesson?
My favorite lesson is math.
Can you solve this problem?
Yes, I can.
What is 5 plus 3?
It is 8.
Read the question carefully.
Okay.
Underline the answer.
Done.
Check your answers.
I am checking.
Is your answer correct?
Yes, it is.
Who finished first?
I did.
Try again.
Okay, I will.
Don't copy.
Sorry.
Work neatly.
Yes,
Practice every day.
I will practice.
Revise the lesson.
Okay,
Study for the test.
I will study.
When is your exam?
Tomorrow,
Are you prepared?
yes, I am prepared.
What day is it?
It is Tuesday.
What time is it?
It is 10 o'clock. May I come in?
Yes, you may.
May I drink water?
Yes, you can.
May I go out?
Yes, you may.
May I go to the washroom?
Yes, go ahead. Can you help me?
Yes, teacher.
Who is absent?
Alex is absent.
Where is your bag?
It is under the desk.
Where is your pencil?
It is in my bag.
Who is your best friend?
John is my best friend.
Why are you laughing?
Because it is funny.
Are you finished?
Yes, I am finished.
What are you doing?
I am writing.
Are you listening?
Yes, I am.
Who wants to read?
I want to read.
Who knows the answer?
I know.
Can you explain?
Yes, I can.
What did you learn today?
I learned new words.
Keep your desk clean.
Yes, teacher.
Bring your diary tomorrow.
Okay.
Show respect.
Yes,
Say thank you.
thank you.
Say sorry.
Sorry.
Did you understand the lesson?
Yes,
What is your roll number?
it is 15.
Do you like school?
Yes, I do.
What did you eat at lunch?
I ate rice.
Are you tired?
A little.
Do you need a break?
Yes, please.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Good job.
Thank you.
Try harder.
I will try.
Keep practicing.
Okay.
Don't be shy.
Okay.
Make a sentence.
I am happy.
Use this word in a sentence.
I like apples.
What is your opinion?
I think it is good.
Who helped you?
My mother helped me.
Did you enjoy the class?
Yes, I did.
Stay focused.
Okay.
Bring your notebook.
Here it is.
Submit your work.
Here you go.
Read page 5.
Okay.
Turn the page.
Done.
Clean the board.
Yes, teacher.
What is your hobby?
I like drawing.
What do you want to be?
I want to be a doctor.
Where do you live?
I live in London.
Who is your teacher?
You are my teacher.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am.
Do you love learning?
Yes, I do.
Are you confident?
Yes, I am.
Keep learning.
I will.
Line up properly.
Okay.
Walk slowly.
Yes.
Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, teacher.
See you tomorrow.
See you.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Intelligent Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.